Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. May salam and peace upon you, and may salam and peace in all the things that you do. Alright, this is our fourth session regarding alphabets, and our fourth session starts with ghain, with the letter ghain, and the sound of ghain comes out from the top part of our throat. Ghain, ghain, ghain. And one thing more, you have to keep it in your mind that ghain sound should be pronounced heavily, not softly. Ghain, like this. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Repeat after me. Ghain. Okay, next is fa. Fa, fa. Fa pronounced with the edge of our upper teeth and with the wet part of our lower lip. Fa, fa, fa. Repeat after me. Fa. Okay. Next is cough. 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 The sound of cough comes from the root of the tongue and soft palate. Cough. Cough. Cough, and cough should be pronounced heavily. Cough, cough, and boldly. Cough. And next one is calf. Calf. Soft one. Calf. The sound of calf pronounced from the root of the tongue and the hard palate. Calf. Calf. Cough. Calf. Do you know the difference? Cough heavily, calf softly. Calf, calf, calf. Next one is lam, lam. From the edge of the tongue and the part of our palate, which is quite near to our upper front teeth. Lam, 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 lam. And next one is meme, meme. And the sound of meme pronounced from the dry part of both lips. Meme, meme. Okay, now repeat after me. Ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim. I hope you got this. Barakallahu feekum. Thank you so much.